So guys, after a very long time, I am restarting my multi-time frame analysis, my educational analysis, which was helping a lot of people in getting the direction of the market and also was helping people to learn about the market analysis. Why we do multi-time frame analysis? Because monthly, weekly, and daily time frames are the best charts to analyze the direction of the market. And to get the confirmed entry point, what do? We go on the 4-hour chart. Now, as we know that gold is the hot shot market at the moment, so we will start with gold. What kind of situation do we have on the monthly time frame? What we can see is that market on the monthly time frame made this huge impulse from the bottom to the upside, and after which what do we expect? We expect a correction. The market gave us a correction. Now what do we expect? We expect the market to continue its upward movement. Now, whenever we want to measure the impulse and correction, what do? We will take the Fibonacci from the bottom to the top. And what we can see is that market beautifully retraced to the zero point 0.5 level. And after that, the market is moving in steps. The next retracement was to the 0.382 level. And after which, what do we expect? We expect the market to continue its upward movement on the monthly time frame. But that's not enough. We will move down to the weekly chart, and what we can see is that last week market started with a huge move to the upside, and after reaching this strong support resistance. Why is this strong resistance? Because last time the market tested this resistance, it made all this move to the upside downside. Now on this test, what do we expect? We expect the market to make a deeper test to the downside. So we can expect the market to move on the downside on the weekly time frame. So we're expecting a buy on the monthly time frame and a sell on the weekly time frame. Now moving down to the daily time frame, what we can see is that this situation is very interesting. Why? Because what we can see is that market made this M formation with an overextended arm, and whenever we see market making this M formation with an overextended arm, what do we expect? We expect the market to retrace to the bottom neckline, and similarly we can expect the market to retrace up to this demand supply area, and after which what do we see? We can get a good entry point in the selling direction, and also we can take a good entry in the upward direction. But for that we will be monitoring the market on the 4-hour chart. As what we can see from now this point is that market on the 4-hour chart is still showing bearish pressure. So the market is still in the sell direction, and we won't trade unless or until the market shows us a shift to the upside. So we will be reactive in the market and not predictive. By being reactive, what do we mean? We mean that unless the market starts to move in a direction, we will act accordingly. We will not be trading on the basis of the prediction that the market will may move to the upside, so we can put a buy trade. Secondly, what we can see on the daily time frame is that the market is also standing on a very important support area. So 1 minute please. Yeah, so what do we expect? Another important pattern which we have seen multiple times is that the market made this shoulder, head, and now this downward movement. After which, what do we expect? We expect the market to retest to this resistance and make this second shoulder, and after which, what do we expect? We can expect the market to move to the downside direction. Now, how will we approach this kind of situation? First of all, what we will do? We will monitor the market on the 4-hour time frame at this area, and if we see that the market is basically shifting to the upside, the market is showing us some confirmation, for which we will be providing signals in the Forex Pros channel. So if you have not joined our channel, the link is in the description. Be a part of the Forex Pros family right now. You can also join our paid channel, and account management service is also provided by us. So feel free to contact us anytime 24/7 for any kind of information or queries. So like I was saying, that if the market shows a shift to the upside on the 4-hour chart, then we can have a good longing opportunity up to 1850 to 1875. This will be our buy area, and after reaching this area, we will be monitoring the price action of the market at this point, and at this point, and after which what do we expect the market to continue its movement to the downside. But this is merely a prediction. What we will do, we will wait for the market to move to the upside, and if it does so, we will have a longing opportunity. The second possibility, which is the rarest possibility at the moment, is that if the market breaks below the structure support, what will we do? We will upload the analysis and how to approach that kind of market in the situation when the market breaks below it.